Guys, welcome back to another vlog. So it's a Saturday today and it's going to be a chill weekend. It's currently around 8:15 right now. Just got back home from shopping. I'm gonna go back on Monday though and see if I can get something. I just went to Bath and Body Works. I'll do like a mini haul. Also, a lot of you have been asking me about how I make my avocado toast, but I would show you guys in my video today because that's what I'm making right now. I vlogged a little bit in the morning. I'm just gonna put in those clips while I prep for my avocado. Okay, so I just got done prepping for my avocado mix. Usually what you can do is you can just spread your avocado over your toast. That's how you get it outside when you ask for avocado toast. It's just some herbs, salt and pepper and avocado. But then what I personally like to do is I like to make a guac out of this avocado and then I spread it over my avocado toast. So yeah, this is how I like my avocado. Like, I like it fully ripe. When your avocado goes totally black, that's when you know you have to cut into it. You have to press into it, and if it goes inside, that's when you know it's done. Like, it's a task. Once you like start using it regularly, you'll know. There was a point where I got irritated. I was like, I will never spend so much money on buying avocados. I'll just go out and like eat it outside because it was pointless bringing it home. I could never cut into it in the right time. Just have tomatoes and one small green chili finely chopped and salt and pepper. That's what I have in this bowl. You can also add onions, but then I don't like to eat raw onions because bad breath, obviously. That's all you need. And then lime, lots of lime. You need lots of lime because avocado is very bland. It doesn't taste anything, it's tasteless. So you need to add as much flavor as you can. I don't know if you can see it, but it's gone bad from this side. So I'm not going to use this portion because it's almost time, and if I hadn't cut it today, the entire avocado would have gone black. Then you just like scoop out all the avocado. Okay, so now I've mashed it all. Some people like their guac to be chunky and some people like it creamy, but I just like to keep it in between. Now I'm just gonna squeeze in like half a lime. I like to go crazy with my lime. I'm just gonna taste and see if it needs more salt. No, it's proper. In fact, I put in way too much lime. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna butter my toast and spread the guac over it. Have this guac with like tortilla chips. It'll taste yummy. But yeah, that's what I like to do with my guacamole. I like to spread it and have it as an avocado toast. If you don't want to add raw green chilies, you can just go ahead and add some chili flakes. I just got done with my dinner. I'll show you guys what I got from Bath and Body Works. Only two things that I got. I got this Vanilla Bean Noel hand wash. It's their very popular classic Christmas scent, and they have these bunch of different body lotions and candles and everything in this flavor, but they were sold out of everything because obviously Christmas is over and they were sold out of everything. So this was in their clearance sale. It was initially for 700 rupees and I got it for like 300 rupees, so it was like 50% off. And then I got this Shea and Vitamin body lotion in Paris. So yeah, it smells really good. I'm just gonna take my makeup off and go to bed, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm currently with my friend right now, and I did not vlog yesterday. I told you guys that it was going to be a super chill weekend, but it wasn't. I was filming another collab with Indie yesterday, so that's where I was the entire day. Today I've just come to meet my friend. It was just a super random plan. She came back from Australia for a vacation. She's going to be here for another month. I'll just make you meet her. She forgot her card. She's gone up to bring that. So yeah, we're gonna have a chill day today. Say hi.
Hi.
It's my vlog. We just got McDonald's.
This is like heaven on earth. Max spicy chicken.
And she doesn't get it in Australia.
Yeah.
We were actually planning to do a mukbang, but then we can't do a mukbang because it's really noisy over here. There's some construction going on. It's not cold, yeah.
What's
You
okay?
think?
It's still yummy. This is like a yummy root.
I put the whole thing over. I love peri peri. So good.
The next day.
Last thing I vlogged was me and my friend doing a mukbang. I think the video just went off because my storage was full. It's the next day. I just came back home from shopping. I'll quickly show you guys what all I got. I did not get too much. I got these baggy pants from Zara. They were not on sale. They were from their new collection. I've always wanted to get those baggy jeans because I've completely stopped wearing jeans. Like I've like officially given up on wearing denims. I just wear my joggers every single day. From H&M I got this Ariana merch. I got this 7 rings t-shirt. I got this basic tank top. I'm gonna go out to dinner now with my friend. So yeah, I'm gonna get changed quickly because I have to head out in an hour. Also my outfit today, I'm wearing these leggings from Adidas Originals. My top is from Zara. Jacket is from Forever 21. If you remember, this jacket used to be this long. I cut it because I wanted to make it cropped. I don't know if you can tell this on camera, but this is like super short. I just started cutting it and then there was no going back, so I had to cut it. I can't just like throw this away now. I even posted a picture in this. This is not cropped, this is beyond cropped, but yeah, I'm just like using it now. Okay, so I'm just gonna head out for dinner now. I quickly wanted to end this vlog. I changed into this sweatshirt from H&M and then my beanies from Zara. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. We'll definitely plan a proper mukbang video soon. That is it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys next time.